Welcome to the Fortress of Solitude, my favorite room in the entire house. This is the guest bathroom, which is my personal toilet, my personal bathroom, also referred to as the boom boom room, or that room that I go into and don't come out for 40 minutes until my legs go numb. Why are we here? Well, I want to show you how to fix the flusher handle. I'm sure it's happened to you. You get done going to the bathroom, going pee-pee, going poo-poo, taking the Browns to the Super Bowl, taking the kids to the pool, whatever you want to call it, and you go to flush, and nothing happens. Hopefully, the bowl's not full of turds, right? And oh my gosh, what are we going to do? So, there's one of two things that can happen. Let's take a look. So the first scenario could be that this chain here just came loose. It just unhooked. This happens often. In my scenario, the actual flusher thingy, the flusher switchy lever thingy, is broken. So that's kind of a different scenario. But if the chain comes loose, it's really easy to fix. So if it's a chain scenario, you probably have this little hooky thing on here, this little latch. And you just find your chain, you reach on in and grab it. Don't worry, this is not toilet water. This is regular water. My kids have refused to put their hands in here. And you basically, and look, since this is broken, you're not going to have this much ability. You'd have it over here. But you're basically just going to reach on in, and you're going to grab the chain, and you're just going to hook it back on. Like this. See? And then now, when you flush it, it'll flush again. Hopefully that's the situation, especially you drop major turds, right? The second scenario, which is mine, the lever flushy thingy broke and it's sitting in the bottom of the toilet like that. Now in this scenario, you're going to reach on in, you're going to grab the lever, and you're going to give it a yank. Okay, once it's done flushing, oh, by the way, hang on to this thing. Once it's done flushing, you're going to take it, just going to lean it against the edge of the bowl here. Right there. And the reason you want to do that is because now you got to run out, you got to buy another handle, but in the meantime, you just reach in here and you just pull the stick until you can get your handle replaced. I've been doing this for about a week now. Now you're probably thinking like, gross, I don't want to stick my hand in the toilet, but honestly, this is the same water that comes out in your sink and your faucets and stuff. It just happens to be sitting in this tank. It's not actually touching your pee or your turds. Now, you might be squeamish. My kids actually refuse to flush this toilet. I'm like, don't use my bathroom then. Go use your upstairs bathroom. But if they use this bathroom, they're just going to leave it in there because they refuse to stick their hand in there as if it's going to kill them. I'm like, seriously, this water is the exact same water that comes out of the faucet. It really is. You could drink this water if you wanted to, but they still refuse to put their hand. So to kind of put it to the challenge, this is for my kids. You just take this cup. It's actually drinkable. Watch. It's kind of gritty, but see, it's not going to kill you. So with the theatrics out of the way, let's fix this. And I went ahead and I repurchased a replacement handle. So I picked this up at the hardware store. I think it was Home Depot. Everbuilt, it's just this one they have on a peg hook. I think this was like $4. And important to me that the actual lever was made of metal. They have some that are made of plastic, but I'm going to be in the same boat where pretty soon I might have to replace it again. So this toilet gets flushed a lot, you can imagine, right? So made out of metal. Again, $4 or $5. It comes with a little washer in this guy, and it's all you need. You don't actually need any tools. So right back here is a plastic nut. And we're just going to twist it off. Righty tighty, lefty loose. You're going to go this way. Actually, I take it back. Yes, we are. And just twist off by hand. If you want to use a pair of pliers, you can. I'm just going to unthread it. There's the broken one. What? Look at that. Slam dunking them flushes. All right. So to replace this one here, we're just going to take it and we're going to feed it in, like so. Right there. This is the plastic nut that came with it. Feed it over. I'm just going to tighten it. Just hand tight. You don't got to go super tight. It's okay. And there we go. Look at this. Flushy, flushy. Now we're going to reach in and grab the chain that was on the original one, and we're going to hook it onto this. I'm going to unhook the entire thing from here. Whoops, I don't want to flush it, so you don't have to hear all my flushy flush. Bad one, gone. Push this down. Okay, so the lever has 3 different settings here. So does this one. I'm just going in the middle. And now that I've got the chain hooked, we can go ahead and test it. Just like that, we're done. Put the lid back on, and it's fixed. Nice and simple, only takes a few minutes. Good luck.